Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the post and V's stitch pattern. This pattern definitely gives your work some great texture, but it is only one-sided. So just keep that in mind when you start this project. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 3. Also, you'll need to know how to do a treble crochet. You can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do a treble crochet. Once you have all of your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to work your first treble crochet, followed by working a treble crochet in the next stitch. Then we are going to do our V stitch, so we're going to skip one chain, and in the following chain, we are going to work a treble crochet, a chain 1, and a treble crochet all in the same space. Next, we are going to skip one chain, and in the following chain, we are going to work a treble crochet. And let's do our V stitch again. So we are going to skip one chain, and in the following chain, we are going to work our treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet. Then we're going to skip one stitch and finish off the row by working 2 treble crochets in the last 2 stitches. And that finishes off row 1. So the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 2 and 3. So let's get started. You turn your work and you chain 3. Next, you work a treble crochet in the first stitch. Then you will work a back post treble crochet. So that'll be inserting your hook through the front and back to get the back post on the back of your work. So it's kind of like you're working on the opposite side of your work. So let's see that again. It's insert through the back and through the front to get that post on your hook. And you do a treble crochet. Next, we will do our V stitch in that chain 1 space. So it'll be a treble crochet, followed by a chain 1, and a treble crochet, all within that same space. Next, we are going to work a back post treble crochet in the next stitch. So again, find your back post, like so, and work a treble crochet. Again, we're going to do our V stitch in that chain 1 space from the previous row, and that is a treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet. Next, we'll work a back post treble crochet in the next stitch, followed off by ending the row with a treble crochet in the last stitch. Now you always want to make sure when doing this work that you always start your work with a treble crochet in the first stitch and end your work with a treble crochet in the last stitch. It's very important. So now for row 3, we are going to start off again by chaining 3 and working that treble crochet in the first stitch. This time around, we're going to do a front post treble crochet. So it's inserting through the back and then through the front, so that post is in the front of your work now. And then in the chain 1 space from the previous row, we're going to work our V stitch. Again, that's a treble crochet, chain 1, treble crochet, all within the same space. Then we'll work a front post treble crochet. Followed by another V stitch in the chain 1 space from the previous row. And a front post treble crochet. And then finishing off our work with a treble crochet in the last stitch. All right, and as you go, you can see what texture it ends up getting. And this is how you do the post and V's stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.